Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're building a doll room and we're going to review the Barbie Art Studio set. So as you can tell by what we're reviewing, we're making a art room for my doll. So I created the doll room. I have it laying flat right now because laying up it shows just too much around my area. So I'm showing you guys the measurements. So this one right here is 14.5 inches. And then it's about 14.5 inches wide, and then my side right here is about 14.5 inches, and the same thing on the bottom. And as for this part right here that's going across, it is 15.5 going across to this opening right here. Now this opening right here, I am going to do something with it, so that's why I'm leaving this part long. So let's go ahead and get to crafting. Also for my windows, it measures from this side, it is about 5.5 inches, and then these two are 6 inches, and this one's 5.5 inches. If you guys want to go off of my measurements to build the same. So for my scrapbook paper, I'm using this yellow color, and I'm going to be using this white leaf scrapbook paper that I have. So my idea is I'm going to do the bottom yellow, and then I'm going to do the top part with this color. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on this main wall with the window, and I'm gonna do it on this side wall that I have right here. So let's go ahead and glue it down. So I went ahead and put the wallpaper up, and it looks really good, and I absolutely love how it came out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put a piece of recycled packaging and use this as a glass for the window right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue on the outside so then it could give the effect of a window. Go ahead and put like a picture, so it will be like a scene. So when you look on the inside, you'll be able to see outside like a view. So let me go ahead and grab our view side. I'm gonna go ahead and add a wall right here. So now we're gonna focus on the floor. So for the floor, I got this marble contact paper for a couple of projects I have coming up, and I want to make marble floors. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Open it up, it looks like this, and it's so pretty. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and measure it to the length of the floor, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Okay, so before you put your marble floors down, it peels right here at the opening. Sorry, I have a little bit of dry glue from crafting. Don't mind that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this off. Just want to get it as smooth as you can. And then whatever's left over, I'm just gonna cut the corner and flip it under. So I'm just gonna cut it on the end. And whatever I have left over, I just flip it over. So now what we're going to do, we're going to make some baseboards. So for the baseboards, I took the white part of this cardboard that I use, which I have a lot of these post office cardboard, so I use them all for crafts. So I'm just taking this white piece right here, and then I cut them into strips, which is 0.75 inches thick, and then across is about 14 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue it to the top of each side of the room, and I'm gonna do the same for the floor. Okay, so for our little balcony area, I pretty much covered the floor with the same marble contact paper as I did on the inside. And on this side that we added, I covered it in marble paper. And now I'm gonna cover this part with this brown paper. So this is what that section is looking like, and it's looking really good. So let's go ahead and make a door. Okay, so for the doors, I have these two pieces of cardboard that measures about 8.5 going down a long way and 4 inches going across. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it on this side that's not white. If you're using just straight plain cardboard and you don't have like a white side that you don't have to paint it, just cover it with white construction paper and it'll look just the same. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go halfway up the cardboard, and I'm gonna take my X-Acto knife and I'm gonna go ahead and cut straight down the middle of the cardboard. And always have adult supervision when crafting for people that are younger, okay? So I'm just gonna cut it and it should break apart easily. Okay, so now that we have our two pieces, I'm gonna take one of the pieces and just go straight down and make my panels. So I want them about this wide, so I'm gonna go down and use this as a template. I got this new craft mat. My dad bought it for me. Thank you, Dad, for buying this for me. It's a lifesaver. Just wanted to say that. And this is the way I want my panels to be. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mark each one. So it's gonna be 4 on each door. So I need a total of 8. So I'm just gonna mark how long it is for each one. So they can all be even. So I'm gonna go ahead and make 8 of these. All right, so now we have all 8 of the parts for the door. So let's go ahead and build us a door. Okay, let's put the doors on the diorama. Okay, so for the door handles, I cut 2 pieces of wood, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint it with this gold color, and I'm gonna use that to be the handles for the door. Balcony area, I absolutely love it. I think it looks good. I decided to go with just one door because I thought that looks better. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a trim at the top of the one door to cover up my flaws. And then yeah, so then we'll be done with the balcony part, and then we can go ahead and do the inside. Alright, so this is the inside of the art room. So before we go ahead and review what we're going to put in it to decorate it, I want to paint a picture. Guys, so I have this canvas that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint some paintings. I did one off camera that's inspired by my Froggy stuff, so I did this one. I'm going to let that dry, and then I am going to do another painting on camera. So I have this line out of another painting I want to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the cream and brown and go ahead and just paint inside. And this is really relaxing. I find painting and like drawing very, very relaxing. Fun fact, I've been drawing and painting since I was in 1st grade. My cousin taught me how to draw. Actually, I feel like you naturally have it in you, but you know, some people, they teach you to where it makes you like better. And I've been pretty artsy ever since. And he's pretty good too. He designs furniture now for a living, so yeah. Never give up on your dreams. So we're just gonna continue to paint. Now I'm going to go in with black. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of red and do the lips. Alright, and now I'm done with the other painting that I've done. Trying to be careful. And I'm gonna let this dry. So I'm gonna let these two paintings dry. So while they dry, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to our review. Okay, so for this space, I wanted to review the Barbie art studio set. So we're gonna get this set open and show you everything that comes inside. So in this set, it comes with a Barbie where she has the 5 points of articulation, but she bends at the knees. It comes with this easel with different color paints, and it has handles on it for your Barbie to hold it. And here's the stand, and then here is a little shelf that's going to hold all of the plates, teacups, and teddy bears, and different sculptures. And it's supposed to be a sculpture thing right here that you can put the Play-Doh in, and it will create the vases that you like, and it has a little tool that you can put stars and hearts into what you create. Also with the water feature, the sculptures, they change colors, like the teddy bear, the piggy bank, and the white plate. So when you put water, it will change to this design right here. On the side, it shows everything that is included in the side of the set. Okay, so for this space, I'm gonna move the table to the side right here. Actually, I wanna move the table in front of the window right here. And then I wanna go ahead and put the easel right here, like towards the wall. Maybe I'll put it right here. And then put the Barbie chair right here, the Barbie right in her chair. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put what is supposed to go on the side. Now that our paintings are dry, we're gonna add them to the wall. Alright guys, so this is the final results of my art studio that I created for my dome. This is how the front came out, and I added some flowers to give it some decoration, and I'm really proud of how it came out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!